Well, the St. Michael's Hospital Foundation's Angel's Den is an event that funds innovative research projects designed to transform healthcare and improve patient outcomes. And this year's challenge was focused in one case around finding a solution for kidney failure patients who complete their dialysis at home and who are subjected to a possible blocked catheter, which can be devastating and require emergency surgery. You can see Jen was hosting it last year. I had the opportunity to host it this year. And joining us this morning are this year's big winners, Dr. Monica Farcas, urologist and surgeon scientist at St. Michael's Hospital, and Dr. Jeffrey Perl, nephrologist at St. Michael's Hospital, talk about their winning issue, or device that is, to deal with the DialySnake. I love the term here. Dr. Farcas, I know you're an engineer as well, kind of had the idea for this here. So why don't you explain, first of all, to everybody here, congratulations.
Thank you.
But explain what the DialySnake is and how it works.
Well, DialySnake is a medical device that we use to unobstruct peritoneal dialysis catheters. These are just catheters that are placed in the abdomen, and they essentially instill fluid in the abdomen where it dwells, and it gets rid of all the toxins in your blood, all deadly toxins that your kidneys would normally filter when they're working, and then that's drained out. So it's a simple catheter. It's basically like a drain, and it gets clogged. And when it gets clogged, it's very, very risky. It's actually life-threatening. And so we are dealing with these problems every single day, every single week, and trying to take care of these patients. And we needed a solution. Right now, the solution is surgery, which is very expensive and very, very risky. And but we needed something simpler, cheaper. And we got inspired by the drain snake.
Right.
This is a plumbing problem.
Yes.
And so we made a device that's like the drain snake that you put in through the catheter to snake out that clog and to unobstruct it at the bedside, no surgery.
So how is this going to help your patients, Dr. Perl?
So thanks, Nick. So, people, you probably think about, when you hear the word dialysis, you probably think about coming to the hospital, getting connected to a machine, and having your blood cleaned. Well, that's hemodialysis. But there's another option for patients, and that's peritoneal dialysis and doing it at home. And listen, hey, after COVID, we all want to be at home as much as possible. And so this is really something that, is a major problem for our patients. It's thus the tubing that allows them to do the fluid installation and removal at home, getting it blocked. So this really will help keep people at home, help people, allow people to do dialysis at home. So it really gives people more options for their care. And Monica's really developed this this tool that's going to help our patients.
And it'll free up space at hospitals as well, too, which was another project that was talked about last night about freeing up care beds, etc. I've got to ask, you won $300,000. You won the People's Choice Award and another major award last night. How will that $300,000 help you move this DialySnake project along now?
So the first step for us is going to be to manufacture our device to regulatory standards, because we have a 3-phase clinical trial already set up. So that's going to allow us to start using the device in intended use. So the funding is essential for that.
Okay.
And now we can get going.
That's remarkable. And really quickly, Dr. Perl, which award, you won the Keynote or Mitchell?
We won the People's Choice
and the Mitchell Award.
The Mitchell Award. So the Mitchell Award was sort of like the one sort of more researchy one, but then the People's Choice was like the 1,000 people there. When you heard your names called twice, what was that like, to the fact that you picked up the People's Choice as well last night?
Oh, we were completely shocked. I think that was really just a nice icing on the cake for a really fantastic night. And let's say, there was some real tough competition with us. Those 6 teams presented some amazing cutting-edge research. And, St. Michael's Hospital has amazing research that's going on. It was really nice to showcase part of it, but we had some really tough competition at that.
It was a remarkable event with some remarkable projects on that stage last night. Congratulations again, Dr. Farcas. Congratulations. Good luck going forward.
Thanks,
Same
Nick.
to you, Dr. Perl. Pleasure meeting you again this morning. Congratulations.